Hey YouTube, what's going on? So this video that you're about to watch isn't part of my normal vlog series. It's actually a video from January 10th of 2010. And I thought that I'd post it today. I got a lot of videos that I think I'm going to post that are rather old, more than a year old. And I hope you'll enjoy them. They aim to please a particular crowd, like solvers or cube solvers. People who like to solve the Rubik's Cube. I don't know how y'all know them. I know them as cubers, so yeah, it's really aimed to please that crowd. So this isn't part of my normal vlog series. If you like my vlogs but you don't like this, don't worry, I'm not offended. I'm just trying to give everyone something to like. So yeah, enjoy the video. Woo! Yay! That would be my first ever under 40 second solve that I've gotten on tape. I've gotten a 34.32 second solve before, but I didn't get it on tape. There you go.